Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features of Samsung keyboard and Gboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access General Management. Now click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and as you can see, some smart typing options are available over here. If you wish to access all of them, scroll down and tap on More Typing Options. Then manage all however you wish to. If you are using Gboard though, you need to click on Gboard Settings instead. Select Text Correction and adjust all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!